Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to learn one more new sound. What is that? Which sound we are going to learn today? Okay children, let me show the pictures related to Okay, are you ready? What is this? Seahorse. Seahorse. Who is he? Soldier. Soldier. And which weapon is this? Sword. Sword. This is very favorite to all of you. What is this? Yes, it's seesaw. Seesaw. Every child will wear this. What is this? Sandals. Sandals. Seal. Seal. Sombrero. Sombrero. So now I introduced all the pictures, right? Now we need to say it together. Are you ready, children? Let's start. Seahorse. Seahorse. Soldier. Soldier. Sword. Sword. Seesaw. Seesaw. Sandals. Sandals. Seal. Seal. Sombrero. Sombrero. Now, let me show how this sound looks like. Are you ready? Yes. See, this is how the sound look like. Now, are you ready with tracing fingers? Yes. So, this is the head, this is the tail. Okay, first observe how I am tracing, then you can practice in the same way. Okay, children? So, this is how we trace. Now, see, in this book, you have the sound and pictures also, right? What is the sound? Seahorse, sandals, soldier. What is this? Sombrero, sword, seesaw, seal. So this is all about the sound. So next time I'll come up with one more new sound. Till that time, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.